Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Miss Mo. Okay, so second half of the year na. July na, kakapasok lang ng July. And dahil dyan, I'll do a love reading para sa month of July. At itong collective and general love reading ay para sa inyong mga Cancer. Ayan. So, hello sa lahat ng Cancer. Thank you for continually supporting my channel. And actually, mga Cancer and other water signs, mataas ang engagement sa aking channel. So, thank you po sa lahat ng suporta. Sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan ang aking channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Okay. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung mag-resonate itong reading after ninyong mapanood hanggang dulo. And, ayan, sa mga bago, sana subscribe na rin kayo sa aking channel para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck, and that would be the reading for your love story, love connection, romance with your person. So tingnan natin, tapos bubunot muna ako ng isang card from this oracle deck as the overall energy ng reading. So remind ko lang din lahat that this is a general and collective love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga, huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na sa inyo. Better yet, book a personal private reading. Nasa description box lang naman aking email address. Okay, sige. So, I'll get the 7th card dahil July na. Nga pala, yung promo ko na free personal and private love readings na minention ko sa previous video ko na collective reading para sa lahat ng water signs. Well, fire signs din. Sinabi ko rin naman dun. Sa water signs. Check nyo na lang yung video na yun kung gusto nyo makasali sa promo. Okay. So, the overall energy is build on your inner strength. Light up the sky of your mind. Okay. So, for your love reading, for your connection then with your person or your love life. So, sinasabi lang din dito to build on your inner strength. Okay, sometimes nakakalimutan natin that we have this inner strength to move forward sa mga nagaganap sa ating relationship, and use this strength then to help na mag-grow ang isang relasyon. Kasi what I can see here is parang nire-remind ko lang din ni universe na kung may mga pagsubok man sa relasyon, kaya yan, kayang lampasan dahil you're a very strong person to begin with. At kung nagkaroon ka man ng hindi masayang relationship at nag-end ito, kakayanin mo rin kasi you have that inner strength in you, and kaya mong mag-move on at daanan ng healing journey with grace. Okay, so and also it's also a reminder for us kung ikaw naman ay currently naghahanap ng karelasyon, okay, or looking for the right person na makasama at makapiling. Okay? Sinasabi lang din dito with the light up the sky of your mind, reminder na be optimistic. Always think positive. Always manifest love in your life. And ayun, the more you manifest and the more you're optimistic about it, the more the universe will provide it to you. And mas na-attract mo talaga yung mga positive energy. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano yung detalye. Bunot ako ng 8 cards. I'll still get the 7th card. So, first card. Okay, it's strength na naman. Di ba? Double confirmation na yan. You have to really build on your inner strength. Galing, di ba? Second card. 10 of Cups. Nice. Then, 3 of Swords. The Star. Nice. Make a wish. Knight of Cups. 7 of Cups. Queen of Cups. Oh, cups, cups, cups. And 6 of Pentacles. Yeah. So, yeah, it's really about yung pagiging emotional kayang kontrolin. Okay? May mga bagay, I think ang naging tendency mo in the past or currently, kung may mga issues man, is masyado kang emotional. Pero, kaya mo yan. Kaya mong kontrolin yung mga emosyon mo. You have this inner strength to do it. And bottom of the deck is Ace of Wands. So, it's the energy you don't see coming or you're not aware of, pero nasa energy mo siya. Okay? Explain ko siya further. Okay. Ace of Wands. Oops. Okay. Ayan. Okay, so what I see here, again, the Strength card is just a double confirmation of the Oracle card energy that you have that inner strength and use it. Build on it. Kasi makakatulong ito din sa pag-grow mo as a person at pag-grow ng isang relationship if you're currently into one. And I can see here kasi you have parang in the recent past you had this relationship na inakala mo na ito na yung forever, ito na yung long-term relationship na pinangarap mo, kaso it ended painfully. There's even a cheating incident for some of you, and for some talagang heartbreaking siya. I think for some of you parang talagang years na yung relationship ninyo, then suddenly nag-end siya unexpectedly, or medyo in-expect nyo na rin, pero for some of you parang na blindside kayo dun sa ending ng relationship, and it really left your heart grieving. Pero yun, parang sinasabi din ni universe sa inyo na kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Okay? Sabi nga nila, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Yan. So, diba, kahit ilang saksak yan sa puso mo, yung 3 of Swords na yan, kakayanin mo. Okay? You'll have learnings from the past relationships na magagamit mo to be a better version of yourself sa susunod mong relationship. And here with the Star card, there's hope. There's really hope. And kailangan mo lang talagang magpakatatag, maging strong as you go on your healing journey because there's so much hope. And I think kung hindi ka in a relationship ngayon or nag-end yung relationship mo and you're now looking, or even if you're just looking now, this is your first relationship, there's really hope. Why? Because the Knight of Cups showed up, and the Knight of Cups is an unexpected event, an unexpected gesture, and I think this is about new love coming into your life unexpectedly. And kung in a relationship ka naman, there's tapos nagkakaroon kayo ng mga problems, di ba? Or if you're in a supposed to be happy relationship and then shifted to something unhappy, ayan, there will be change, may unexpected event na mangyayari leading to a better connection. Okay? So, here with the Seven of Cups pa showing up here, puro cups nga eh. So, it's about emotion. But with the Seven of Cups energy showing up here, may mga kailangan ka lang decision. Medyo indecisive ka pa sa mangyayari. Kung dumating tong unexpected person in your life, magkakaroon ka ng, teka lang, undecided pa ako kasi hurt pa ako. Kaya nga sabi, you'll build on your own strength. Kasi, if dumating tong person na to, tapos hindi ka ready, you're not strong enough yet to accept this new love. Diba? Sayang. Kasi, baka palampasin mo lang yung itong opportunity na to to feel loved and ma-experience ulit yung happy this Ten of Cups energy, di ba? Kasi itong new love coming in, or itong kung in a relationship, sabi ko kanina, there's an unexpected event, so maybe it's another chance and a better connection. This opportunity, this unexpected event carries this energy of love, nurture, and care na ikasasaya mo. Okay, and with the Six of Pentacles pa showing up here, Six of Pentacles is a card of gratitude, a card of generosity, a card of abundance as well, and reciprocation. So, yung dati kung hindi ka nare-reciprocate, this time, your love, your care will be reciprocated or even more pa, na to the point na ikaw pa yung kailangan din mag-reciprocate. But here it's really something good. I really can feel very good energy dito sa new love coming, or sa new opportunity in love, or new chapter with your current loved one. Yeah. Kasi very good, lalo na here, as you can see here, yung hidden energy is the Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is a new beginning. Is a card of new beginning, a card of rekindling the flame, diba? Kung yun nga, kaya sabi ko kanina, if you're in a relationship, reignite itong passion or attraction between the two of you. If this is a new love coming in, there's this intense attraction between you and this new person na darating sa buhay mo. Okay, so kaya yeah, keep lighting the sky. Okay? Kasi the sky of your mind, di ba? Kung positive ka nga, optimistic ka sa mga mangyayari, lalo na pag dumating itong person na to, if you have that optimism, di ba? Yung energy of positivity, ma-attract mo it dito sa new relationship and new connection, or current relationship but new chapter, di ba? So ayun, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. always use my readings with discernment. You still have free will. Kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin, decision mo pa rin yan. And yun, pero sana nabigyan kita ng insight and guidance sa mga decision mo or sa current situation mo when it comes to love. Okay? Yun, so kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Ingat!